allergies are killing me. Hi guys, it's been a while. Let's just get one thing out of the way. I have terrible allergies right now, so I'm probably gonna sneeze uncontrollably and my voice sounds like I'm talking like this. Yes, it's been a long time since I vlogged. I just kind of want to take you guys through a regular day in my life, kind of like I used to. Yeah, I just kind of was discouraged for a little. I didn't really know what to do. I think I'm just gonna vlog a normal day in my life. I kept waiting for an exciting day, and there's been plenty of exciting days, but then I'm like, oh man, I could have vlogged this. Then I was like, I don't have to wait for a super eventful day to vlog. Yeah, anyways, I just kind of wanted to vlog again. It's been a while. Today and tomorrow is just my mom and I. My brothers and my dad are on a trip. I've tried so many times to vlog like days of my life, and I just filmed the intro, like this part that I'm filming right now, and then I never continue. So let's hope that doesn't happen. I just did an outfit of the day, but I didn't put it in here, so that's why it's a weird jump clip to me being overexposed. Probably because I didn't like it, so that's why we're here on this random clip from my room to this office. I've been just also feeling super inspired lately. Alright guys, so my mom and I are gonna go eat somewhere. Update, we came to the church and we've been here for a few minutes. I don't have a lot to do today, but I think I'm just gonna read now. I don't really know what to say. I just wanted to let you guys know that I'm at the church, and yeah. Now we are at a coffee shop and I'm eating a donut and some milk, and my mom has some coffee and a blueberry donut. So anyways, I'm gonna enjoy this donut now. Hi guys, it's been a few days since I vlogged, and it's now Sunday evening. It's kind of a really random time to continue this vlog. At this point, I should have just like ended it. I just finished filming a video. It's what's on my iPhone video, and I wanted to do my book recommendations thing, and I also wanted to bake some brownie and cookie cake because I've had it for so many months and I haven't gotten around to baking it, so I thought it would be fun to bake that, just like kind of relax and show y'all how I plan my week. If you were like me a few months ago, maybe you used to love to read and then all of a sudden you couldn't find any more good books that interested you. Recently, I've been super into reading. My friend Sadie, if you're watching this, she's the one that got me into this, so I blame her, but it's also a really good habit, I guess, to make. But my favorite type of genre recently is just like kind of fiction, but realistic fiction. Like my all-time favorite books that I've read this year. So the first book is called Love and Gelato. I'll try to go through this quickly, but this first book is called Love and Gelato, and then there's Love and Luck, and then there's Love and Olives, and they're just super good books, but they're not really connected. But the first one is probably my favorite. But it's about this girl whose mom passes, and her passing dream is for her to go to Italy and see her dad, and it's just like super fun. They're just amazing books, and I would reread them if it didn't bother me to reread books that I've already read. Next, I have, it's called One of Us is Lying or something like that. I just finished it yesterday. I finished it like in 2 days, and it is so good. It's like a little mystery book. Next, I have the book I'm currently reading. Actually, I'm currently reading like 3 different books, but this one, I took off the cover. I like taking off the covers of hardcover books. I don't know, the cover bothers me when I'm reading it, so I take it off. But this one is called Love in English, also super good. It's about a girl who moves to the US. I just think it's cool to see like someone who's not from the US, like their perspective of coming here. Next, this one is called April Showers by Brianna Swann, and she's actually a Christian and she's like 20 or something, and I found her on Instagram and I discovered that she wrote a novel, so I've just bought it. Barely into it, but such a good book so far. And I haven't read these two that I'm about to show you, but this one's called 100 Days of Sunlight. So it's like a novel about a girl who loses her eyesight, which honestly just sounds super interesting. Then I have this one called Turtles All the Way Down. I've seen this one. It's a pretty popular book. It seems very promising, so I'm super excited to read this one as well. Totally recommend all these books, even though I haven't read them all. We're gonna go bake. Baking sounds fun right now. Let's go bake some cookie brownie cake. Here's the one I'm baking. The cookie brownie thing is in the oven. It just has like 8 minutes left, and I've just been here scrolling on my phone waiting for it to be done. And now I think I'm just gonna kind of plan my week. Since I'm already out of school, I don't need to plan that much, but just like my YouTube, design, shop stuff, I like to plan out like which days, what I want to focus on, and all that stuff. So we're gonna do that. So here's this weekly layout. Just kind of jot in what I want to do, my target 3, gratitude, to do, habit tracker, and then for daily, this is like for Monday, and just super nice. Sometimes I kind of like to brain dump and dump out everything that's on my head and then plan it out. Yeah, that's my little process for planning out my week. Alright guys, so I just finished, actually I didn't just finish, it's like an hour later, and I just been listening to a podcast, drawing, planning out the week. I think I'm gonna end the vlog here, but I hope you guys enjoyed, and I know this was just kind of a random little vlog, but again, hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for another video this week, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!